Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial how to split screen on a Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started with the video. Well guys, first thing first, if you want to split the screen, you just have to choose the application that you want to use. For example, here I'm going to open my settings application, and then here for the Google's one. I'm gonna open it first, and to split the screen you just have to tap on this reason button at the bottom, and now beside the icon of the application you will see this arrow button. You just have to tap on it and you will see the split screen. You just have to tap on it. Now here you just have to choose another application that you wanna open. For example, here for the settings, and yeah, as you can see, we can use two applications at the same time at one screen like this. And you also can drag the frame like this if you want to resize it. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your likes and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.